just walking by this Packard 327, and Gary said, have you tried starting it yet? And I said no, but then we both agreed that that was silly. Hey, let's start it up. Well, we're gonna try anyway. This is the one I got from the junkyard a couple weeks ago, and as you can see, it's still in the back of my truck, and I don't know what to do with it, but I do know that we should see if it starts. So we're gonna kind of level it out here, and we'll put some oil in it, and we'll pull the plugs and put some oil in the cylinders. It does turn over as far as we know, and then we'll go from there. Ready? Oh, there we go. Okay, good.
I've got it.
Yeah, perfect.
Let me get this out of the way.
Okay, ready? There we go.
Yeah, you just... Okay. Dad, there's a squirrel in the tree.
Squirrel. Okay, starter, check. Okay. Turn the air on and get the hose. Seems fine. Okay, well, I'm going to put Gibbs in every hole just to help it turn over. And then we're going to hook up a battery and try to get it to turn. And if that goes, then we'll put some gas to it, or see if we got spark, and then we'll put gas to it.
I'm assuming that's Gibbs.
Yeah. You know what? We're going to leave them all out until we get it to turn over. No point working against compression.
Yeah, true.
Okay, next is battery.
I don't think so. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
That gets hot.
A little warm.
Okay, well, turns over.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Next is spark. Oh, you know what though? We gotta put oil in this thing.
Yeah. It's oil-ish.
It's oily. We got a broken coil wire, so we're gonna need it. Nothing?
No. I can't see anything. The sun's...
No, you'd hear it.
Oh.
Points are like super crusty, so we'll give them a once over. We have no idea if anybody ever set this. We don't know if this engine is run since it was put in that car or anything. We don't know anything, so we got to assume everything is wrong.
It didn't come with paperwork?
Yeah. No, amazing. My $200 junkyard Packard, no papers.
Huh.
So what I like to do is sand them and then brake clean. You know, on a piece of paper. And then clean them, dry them. Okay, let's see if we got anything now. Ready?
Oh,
yeah, buddy.
Look at that.
You can certainly hear it.
You can see it.
Okay, well that's good. We didn't have anything before, so. I mean, again, we're assuming that they got the distributor in right, and
Oh.
we don't know if any of the timing's right or anything, so. Nevertheless, we're gonna just go for it anyway, because we're bums. Somebody, for some stupid reason, has robbed the tops off of all the plugs. So we're gonna have to sort that out. I don't know why, but that's our next problem. Plus, maybe we can just find some plugs. I don't know. Let's go digging around.
All right.
Okay, let's do it. Plugs are going in. Got a mix match mess of whatever. This one was broken, so whatever. Just anything to get her going today. We do not know if any of these are any good. So we got oil pressure and oil in the cylinders and spark. What's left? Gas.
Yes.
Should we just dump some down the carb and see if it coughs?
Yes.
I think that would be the best, quickest repair. These came out of a running engine, so we're in good shape. Well, you wouldn't know we were in good shape from watching us try and get it in and out of the back of this truck. That one might be a bit optimistic to think that that's going to run. But okay, well, I'm going to run it. I don't care. We'll just dump some down it and see if it coughs. That'll be awesome. Here goes then. So what do we need to make this happen? We need this one, and where's the other one?
Your legs are out of the way in case it flips over?
More or less. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Maybe it'll bark, maybe not. Did it cough at all?
It did.
You think?
I think it did. There's something coming out of there. It's blowing bits out of there.
Yeah. What's the situation with the gas dripping out?
I just want us to dry it and see. You know, it's just pouring out.
Huh?
It's just pouring out of there.
So we're done. We're not getting anywhere. Like, it's not an engine if it doesn't have vacuum.
Yeah.
It's not going to run.
No.
Okay, well, this is going to need extra work. I thought she might go, but it has a 0% chance of running with every time we poured gas in to start it, it all just poured out the intake manifold there. So that's all going to have to come apart before it has a chance. It did cough, but all it managed to do was light a fire in all the leaves in the back of the truck here. So probably in the interest of what passes for safety around here, we're going to have to do a little more work on this guy. Right, we're back on the Straight-8 Packard today. I think I mentioned that this is never going to run until we sort out the intake manifold leak. So I'm going to start. I'm going to pull both the manifolds off with the carburetor and everything still on it, and we're just going to see if we can temporarily seal that up at least well enough to try starting it again. Whatever I do is not going to be permanent or particularly good, but I think we can get it sealed up well enough to try starting it. And we'll check in once this is off and see if it's still feasible. More problems. One stuck valve. So we gotta sort that, and huge leak right here before it's going anywhere. The only thing that's gonna stop it from running is that and this valve. All right, well, here's hoping. Ah, damn it. or something. Hey, nice. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna patch that hole and then clean this up. Sealant, hammer it back on. We're not getting too cute here. While the battery was charging, I decided to throw this back on. I just put some sealant around all of the intake ports, and where the gasket was ripped, I put just a dab of the high-speed JB weld so that it wouldn't get sucked in as soon as the engine starts, assuming it does. I'm going to leave these valve covers off. Sorry about the noise, they're cutting some trees down around here. Meanwhile, vacuum leaks here. Sort these out. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing over, and if you don't mind watching the valves, one of them was stuck and I popped it loose.
Okay.
I want to make sure it doesn't hang up again.
Is that the one?
I think it's this one.
Okay.
It's one of these.
Okay.
The rest of them seem to be okay.
Okay.
Sealed
Make sure
everything.
it's not in gear.
That's right. I should rig this up. That'd be quite an unstoppable unit. It's probably got more torque than the diesel. Okay, ready? Let's make
Everything's working up
not
and down.
hanging up.
Nope. Keep going. There's another one back here. No, they're all going up and down.
Okay, well, it's the best we can do.
Yeah.
If it fires, then we'll start tuning it.
Yeah.
But I want to hear it go
Yeah,
blah, blah,
yeah.
blah first. Because I don't even know if the
That's like a
distributor's
fuck-
in right.
You're
Or,
talking like a fucking goat. Blah blah blah.
yeah. If it doesn't start, we'll pretend the sound of the chainsaw is the...
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it sounds about the same.
It poofed out.
Out the top.
Yeah, yeah. So things are, hey,
Well,
there's a little, needs more fuel.
if it's firing out the top, that's not, it means the timing is all right out to lunch.
Well, there was
Right.
just a little poof and then
Yeah, but
a little
it
bit
shouldn't
of
ever
smoke.
fire out the
Yeah,
back.
yeah. Okay.
It's firing out. We should at least turn it over. We'll just check the timing. Because this engine, who knows, right? Like,
Well,
we could
yeah.
sit here all day because somebody put the distributor in wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. Could be.
So we should probably pull number one, get it up to top, and then we'll just double check that we're even close.
It wants to, eh?
Well, now it's an engine, I think.
Yeah, it wants to.
That should start now, if we're close.
Wants to go.
Yeah. Okay, well,
More fuel.
if we put fuel in the carb now, it should actually run. Right?
Yeah.
We shall see.
Good.
That's not bad, eh?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Good.
Fantastic. Can we dare? Oh. Well, that's an engine.
That's an engine. Yeah.
Definitely an engine. Let's
Yeah.
try that again.
Everything's
Doesn't
working
sound
good here.
bad.
And it's quiet.
Yeah, it
You
sounds
know?
good.
I mean, I would have thought it'd click, click, or clack,
Yeah,
clack,
yeah.
clack. And
Can you see all the...
yeah, they're going up and down. And,
Yeah.
and they're quiet, you know. You know, you have more luck, eh?
Luck.
No, really, huh?
Well,
Like, I mean, this thing was destined to be, huh?
yeah, it was going in the crusher. That's why I bought it.
Yeah.
Wow, eh?
There is nothing wrong with that, huh? She ran out of gas.
Yeah, that's all right. I think we drained her.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think there's much to prove now.
No, nothing.
That is awesome. Well, guys got to be happy with that.
Well, I guess you should be.
We got, you know what we're doing? We got to find a car to put this in. I got that 41 Plymouth. That'd be cool, eh? You'd have to notch the firewall out a little bit. That's awesome. Well, you gotta love the $200 Packard engine. Well, that's it.
Yeah, it runs.
Hey guys, just want to say thanks so much to everybody who bought a calendar. We have sold out, so that's very cool. Thank you guys so much. We're going to have them all printed by next week and start shipping them, so I'm looking forward to getting mine. I hope you guys are too. It's the last nice day of the year, so I'm going to go for a motorcycle ride because I got about a 1 hour window, and then I got to go edit, and then by the time I'm done that, it'll be cold. So I've got like my third chance all year to take the bike out, and this is it. So I'm going to go for a ride. Cheers. See everybody very soon. Yeah, looking forward to Saturday. Bye-bye. A regular contributor.
Same old shit.